Model: 66-plate Citroën Berlingo L1 diesel 1.6 HDi 625Kg Enterprise 75 PS body, white, panel van mileage, 49,322 MOT, the 28th of October 2023 engine, 1,560 cc DV6 ETE-DC transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs perfect on easy start. Engine is 100%, body control module needs replacing, straightforward repair if you know what are you doing, gearbox and clutch is all good. Condition summary: ultra-low miles for a Berlingo. Bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, full service history, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors, aircon EU status, Euro 5 HPI,